Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday wherever you are. I hope that you're showing up as your most confident self, being very conscious about your confidence. And as you can see, I'm not in the studio or I'm not in my office at the moment. I've actually stepped out of my apartment for the day. I've just finished attending a women's business network, Extraordinary Women, which is a network that I attend quite regularly. I've been attending them for a number of years and it's been a fantastic source of support and inspiration for both me and my business. And so I can highly recommend doing networking for your business. If that's something that you're not yet doing, make sure that you get doing it. And so here I am after the network, and it's kind of a funny day, really. There's no, you can't even see Table Mountain. Let me just show you. Table Mountain should be somewhere over there, but it's not. So here we are. My next meeting was actually rescheduled, so I have a bit of a gap between now and a shoot that I need to go and do. Before moving on to the rest of my day. And so why not take the opportunity to come and chat to you beautiful women here on the beach. And so if you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I am a confidence crusader, and that means that I have made it my mission to help women elevate their confidence so that they can connect with their personal confidence, their professional confidence, and they can have more input, influence and impact in their lives, their businesses and the world beyond. Because if we really did each show up as our most confident self, I really firmly believe that we'd make a big difference in our own lives and the lives of others. And so who wouldn't want that? So if you feel like you could do with a daily boost of confidence, then consider subscribing to the channel. Today is day 72, and the thought of the day is: look into the face of beauty and see yourself there. I don't know about you, but this one kind of hits a bit of a chord, because I experienced it even this morning at the network. You know, you look at other women and they seem to have all their shit together. They're beautiful when you look at them. They are successful by the seams of it. They drive fancy cars. They have all the things going for them, it seems, you know. But the truth of the matter is we never do really know. And yet, from our own perspective, we kind of, we hold these women on a higher pedestal than us. It doesn't matter where they are in the scale of things, but we are creatures of habit, and comparison is a very stinky habit that we all need to get rid of. And it's one of those things that it always seems like the grass is greener on the other side. You know, there's grass behind me. You always seem to assume that everybody else's life is perfect. Everybody else is kind of winning at this thing of life. And the reality is that we're not. Everybody is struggling with whatever they're struggling with. Everybody is growing and learning and developing who they are. Hopefully they're doing it consciously. But ultimately everybody is flawed. Everybody is imperfect. Everybody's got their battles. You never know what is going on behind a flawless scene, you know, a flawless facade. And what struck me with this thought was that imagine if we could look at ourselves in the mirror or on the phone right now or on the camera, and that our default response to seeing ourselves was, wow, how awesome is she? Like, how awesome am I? Look how awesome I am. I am beautiful. I am talented. I am successful. I am worthy. I am fascinating. I am interesting. Imagine that was our first thought whenever we looked at ourselves, physically or introspectively. Isn't that a novel idea? What if we became inspired by ourselves, inspiring ourselves because we are ourselves, or being jealous of ourselves, like looking at yourself and thinking, wow, I wish I had your life. Oh wait, I do. Like, how awesome would that be? Shit, we are so hard on ourselves. We are really hard on ourselves, and we always seem to think that somebody else has the secret formula or they've learned something. And through this process of investigating confidence, I'm very quickly learning that no, nobody has nobody has the secret, nobody has the answers. Everybody's just figuring it out. And that is magnificent. And the fact that I haven't yet figured it all out, and I'm still going, and I'm still, making the effort, and I'm still showing up, that is magnificent. I am magnificent. Say it with me. Say it to the camera right now. I am magnificent. How does that feel? And if it feels awkward, then it means you've got a lot more practice to do. Because you should look at yourself and just marvel at your magnificence. The fact that you are living, breathing, you are a woman, you are a spiritual being, you are a caregiver, you are so full of so much goodness that you can give the world. And you perhaps are not even appreciating that. So appreciate everything that makes you you. You are divine in every sense of the word. Hear that from my heart to yours. And then hear it from your own heart to you. Every time you look in the mirror, remind yourself how awesome you are. Because you really are. Like, not just awesome as in like beach awesome, but awesome as in divine. Divine awesome. Beyond our physical understanding, you are awesome. It's a deep one today. I'm feeling very reflective. And I'll leave it there. Did anything resonate with you here? Did it strike a chord perhaps? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see what came up for you, because it certainly brought up something for me. Certainly did. Feeling it today. So let's share it together. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notifications button. Oh, I announced last night that my book is now available online. Woohoo! So if you want to get your own copy of 365 Thoughts on Confidence, head on over to my website, abigailk.co.za. The link is down below. The direct link to the shop is down below, and so you can get your hands on that. And if you are in the Cape Town area, I would really love to connect with you at my workshop next week, Tuesday the 20th. My Conscious Confidence workshop. It's going to be a really connecting event, and lots of sharing, lots of depth, lots of growth, lots of support, and lots of love. I would love to see you there. The link to the registration is down below, and if you want to win a spot on that workshop, then head on over to my Instagram account, where you will find details of how you can win. I'll put a link to that down below as well. And so please do go on, enjoy the rest of your day, send yourself some love, tell yourself that you are beautiful, that you are magnificent, and believe it. Say it and believe it. Feel it. Because you are. I'll see you again tomorrow.